October brought a World Series ring, and as the champagne dries, we turn the page to November. Here's what's on deck for the 11th month, brought to you by Ace Ticket. TD Garden holds the Comics Come Home event, which benefits the Cam Neely Cancer Foundation. The 4th, the Patriots take on the Packers at home, and the next day, Tyler Seguin returns to Boston when his Stars take on the Bees. The 6th is Elton John's show at the Garden. The 9th brings Josh Groban and Idina Menzel to the Garden. On the 10th, Boston College hosts Clemson, and the Bruins have Toronto in town that night. The Bruins roll the dice against Vegas on the 11th, the same day that the Patriots take on the Titans in Tennessee. The 14th sees the Celtics and Bulls take to the Parquet. If you can't make that one, you have back-to-back home games on the 16th and 17th. The 17th also brings football to Fenway when Harvard faces Yale. The next day is the Fenway Hurling Classic, which you can find on Nesset. The Knicks come to Boston on the 21st, and on the 24th, the Hoops come down for former First Lady Michelle Obama. Then the 30th brings the LeBron-less, Ty Lue-less Cavaliers to the TD Garden. For the best tickets to all these events, log on to aceticket.com.